Okay, so I just got my wisdom teeth pulled today. Wasn't very fun, but it's fine right now. Just wanted to put up a solve of the Rubik's Cube, 3x3. This is a Zhanchi. Turns amazingly. I took the anchors out here. Extra stickers. They say it's the best cube in the world right now, and I wouldn't doubt that because it's an amazing cube. I'm going to be using the beginner's method because I haven't learned the Fridrich method yet. I'm working on it, but I've only gotten F2L, so I'm just going to use the beginner's method. That's what I'm used to. Hopefully I can get a good time. So yeah, I'm going to do my scramble. Sorry about this. Taking longer than it should. Kind of spaced out there for a second. Okay. So let me show you my little timer here. Come on. There's my scramble. CubeTimer.com is what I use. I just recently found it. And so here, I'm going to be doing a solve. I have a 15-second countdown on it. And the volume's up, so you should hear the beep. And here's my inspection time. There we go. It's a pretty good solve. 43.2. My best on this is a 37, if you can see that. 3 of 5, 51 seconds, 10 of 12, 47, you know, average times. Not the best Rubik's Cuber, but just wanted to throw a shout out to the Zhanchi.